Attendee. One of the new features available is voice recognition and translation. This will allow when a person speaks, their speech can be viewed in real time and translated into the listener's language. In this way, meetings will be more accessible to everyone. To use this feature, the moderator will first need to enable the feature. After enabling it, you can customize its settings based on your preferences by accessing two icons that will appear in the bottom left corner. 1. Subtitle settings. This is the first icon, identified by the CC symbol. It allows you to select the language of your choice, enabling real-time translation of the speaker's speech into your desired language. Once you have selected the desired language, simply press Start. 2. Subtitle text history. This is the second icon, represented by a line. By clicking on it, you will be able to view a record of everything that has been spoken in the language you chose for translation. And that's it. You are now ready to make the most of this feature and enjoy a more accessible experience in your meetings.